Hello everybody, welcome to our channel Wizard of Geology. Today we will discuss our lecture video 4. So without delay, let's start our discussion video. An ideal single turbidite sequence that is called as the POMA sequence is made up of how many units? The right answer is 5 units. What are those 5 units? Those are A, B, C, D and E. A is bottom unit and E is top unit. Okay, this bottom unit is deposited during high flow energy and this top unit is deposited during low flow. That is means suspension of suspension sediments. Those are deposited by flocculation method. Okay, and this E top layer accommodates mudstone bed. Those are massive. Okay, mudstone bed, and this bottom layer contains what coarse grain to fine grain sediments. Okay, coarse grain to fine grain. Those are sandstone beds. These are also massive. Okay, the evaporite that is typical of non-marine basins is which evaporite deposit is found in non-marine basins. You know gypsum. Gypsum is found in the marine basin, halite also, calcite also, and the rest that is trona is found in non-marine basin. So the right option is option C, that is trona. What is trona? Trona is a hydrated Na2CO3 dot NaCO3, that is sodium bicarbonate, and it contains water. This is the chemical formula of trona. And generally from trona we derive that baking soda by the method of Solvay process. Okay, what is baking soda formula? That is NaCO3, sodium bicarbonate. You know gypsum formula, CaSO4 dot 2H2O. This is also hydrated form. Okay, halite, this is rock salt, that is NaCl. Calcite, CaSO3. Okay, and sylvite formula is KCl. Okay, gypsum is found in monoclinic, crystallizes in monoclinic system. Similarly, halite is isometric. Okay, arrange the following minerals in decreasing order of crystallization temperature. So we have to arrange in decreasing order of the crystallization temperature. Here olivine, its crystallization temperature generally ranges from 1200 degree centigrade to 1300 degree centigrade. Okay, chromite 1200 to 1400, and pyrrhotite 370 to nearly 490. These are degree centigrade. Okay, so which will crystallize first? That is chromite first, then olivine, then pyrrhotite. So the order will be QPR, that is option C. Okay, a crystal of quartz is capable of exhibiting which properties? Piezoelectricity, pyroelectricity, both of the above, none of the above. The right answer is both of the above, that is option C. What is piezoelectricity? When we apply pressure on a crystal, it produces some electricity that is called as piezoelectricity. Pressure sensitive, you may say pressure sensitive. Okay. Pyroelectricity. What is pyroelectricity? When we provide heat to some crystal, it exhibits its electric property. Okay, that is called as pyroelectricity. Here pyro word, this pyro word means heat, that is called as temperature. You must have encountered this pyro word, pyroclastic rock. Okay, these are found in volcanic rock. Okay, pyro means heat, high temperature. Okay, the earliest representative of the horses was Orohippus, Epihippus, Pliohippus, Eohippus. The right answer is Eohippus. This is primitive, okay? It's ancestor of the horses. This is Eohippus. These questions comes, okay? You should remember it. Which of the which of the following reptiles adapted themselves for flight? It is asking which reptiles can fly, okay, that were during the Jurassic Cretaceous time. Okay, these are dinosaurs varieties: Ichthyosaurus, Pterosaurus, Therodons, Thecodons. The right answer is Pterosaurus. Okay, Pterosaurus. These are wings. Okay, Pterosaurus are wings. These Pterosaurus fossils are also found in many places. And what is Ichthyosaurus? Ichthyosaurus are marine reptile. These are found in ocean. Okay, marine reptile. Those resemble now these resemble dolphin. Okay, big face. Okay, dolphin like. Ichthyosaurus were marine reptiles. Theriodons. What is Theriodons? Theriodons are big size of the lizard. You might have seen garden lizard. It's big body size. Okay, those are called theriodons, lizard type. You have might have seen lizard, and it's bigger form. Okay, those have four legs, and they walk by four legs. Okay, those are called theriodons. What is thecodons? This is oldest term. This might not come. Thecodons, you must know what is thecodon. Thecodons is a dentition morphology, you may say. The dinosaurs were divided by dentition pattern. Okay, dentition pattern, and these thecodons had socket teeth. Okay, socket teeth means they had bigger teeth with socket teeth. Their jaws. Okay, they used to attack with these strong socket teeth, big jaws. Okay, so here the right answer is Pterosaurus. Those were in the sky flying. Okay, what is the criteria for a covered surface to be said a fault? Uh, in the field, if you travel some area, if you find a plane, how you will define it is a fault plane. So this question means for that. Polished surfaces, groups, striations, all of the above. The answer is all of the above. Polished surfaces means this will shine, okay, reflect light, okay, it will so bright, okay, polished surfaces. Groups, what is groups? These are some deep cut in the plane, okay, deep cut, narrow, this is narrow deep cut in the bed. These are called groups. striations. These are like what scratches. Normally parallel. These are parallel lines. These are scratches. When a fault plane might have moved from this plane, there might be some scratches parallel. Okay. These are also groups like deep, cut, narrow. Okay. So all of the above will be the right answer. Spodomini characterizes which optical properties? Uniaxial positive, biaxial positive, uniaxial negative, biaxial negative. The right option is option B, that is biaxial positive. Spodomini. Spodomini you might have encountered here, where Spodomini is a pyrogen family mineral. Okay, pyrogen group mineral pyrogen. Its formula is Spodomini's formula is lithium aluminum silicate, that is LiAl Si2O6. You lithium aluminum silicate here Si is to O ratio is 1 is to 3. So if I ask you which silicate structure does it show? This chain silicate. Okay, Spodomini chain silicate. Okay, so today we have learned many things. Hope you enjoyed this video. So please share with your friends and let them know about this channel. So we'll be ever grateful for your positive feedback. So thanking you all. Have a good day ahead.